Ah, that's them stranger things. This be some strange things going on. You feel me? Woo, you got the sneakers. My God, look at that. Look at that. Stranger things. Appreciate y'all for locking in, so y'all know we locked in. Back at y'all with another video, man. Hope y'all having an amazing day. Make sure you stay prayed up, man. Remember that you can do all things through Christ to strengthen you, so always put your trust in him, keep him first, and believe in yourself as well. If you like content like this, consider subscribing, hit that notification bell, man, so you'll be locked in every time we drop a vid. I've been watching the Stranger Things series and all of that, loving the series. I still ain't finished it. Most people have finished it. I haven't finished it. That's just me being honest. I'm sure enough tuned in and locked in, so I know what's going on, but these phones were super duper tough. So I had to cop them just off the nostalgia history of the movie, Stranger Things. And it just was a dope collab to connect the movie with the sneaker and the Foamposites being a dope silhouette. You just can't go wrong, man. So I had to cop these. Yes, I had to pay resale, but shout out to my boy Keep 'em Laced on Instagram. Keep 'em Laced. They also have a website, keepemlaced.com, I believe it is. But yeah, I seen his post on Instagram. He was out in LA. Shout out to him and his team, and they were snagging up just a ton of heat. And yeah, I locked in my pair. And then on top of that, he gave me a dope deal, man. So I ain't even pay that high resale that they were trying to, folks were trying to charge 500. I seen some posts like 500 and up, 600, 650. So, but my boy, shout out to him. He showed major love, and yeah, like I couldn't beat it. I jumped on that deal quick. So yeah, with no further ado, keep them laced on Instagram again. Woo! Came in the Home Depot box. Let's get straight to it. Foot Locker bag in here for me from LA. You feel me? So he should be straight from LA to my door. Like they copped him. They was out there copping all type of heat. Major heat. Like he had major heat. So I had to grab these. I'm a big Foamposite person. Definitely trying to stack up my collection of Foamposites. So I had to grab these. And what better thing to put on than Stranger Things? The silhouette is already dope by itself. Shout out to Penny Hardaway, one of my favorite point guards. Got the map going on with the history. I've seen a lot of videos, but I had never seen these in person till now. But it says from Beaverton, Oregon, Nike sports shoes have become the preferred shoe of champion athletes all over the world. Like athletes, we always keep trying to improve our performance, and we always will. So yeah, y'all check that out, man. Y'all pause that video if you need to. But yeah, God, it gives a dope old school, like back in the 80s, early 90s, like type vibes. Like, you feel me? Y'all see all that, the writing paid. Man, thank you for shopping at Bradley's. Man, this definitely old school, man. Like, I hate 1987, back in the 80s, man. Y'all can read that. 1987. It's crazy how they did the box, like back in the day. Box all look old, vintage. Like, you feel me? That I love dope packaging. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a sucker for packaging. You can sell me off packaging. That packaging gonna sell me. But when you got one of your favorite sneakers, silhouettes, and it come with dope packaging, this, you know, I pay resale. Not stupid resale. I wouldn't pay stupid resale, but I pay resale. Got these in the size 12, and it reads Air Foamposite One. The PRM means, I guess, mean premium, and it says black, bright crimson, off noir. These are size 12, so you know these for him. But here go the box. Nike Stranger Things. You feel me? Got the paper. You see the Stranger Things on the writing on the paper. When I say beautiful, I mean beautiful. Look at this. My God. Look at the upside down Penny Hardaway logo, man. The Penny logo. The shoestrings definitely had me intrigued on this sneaker, man. Just the details, man. Look at that carbon fiber. The red dope carbon fiber, shoestrings going crazy, like very detailed, man. Got that straggly type vibe going on. Then you got the upside down Penny logo right there. Oh man, shoe trees. You feel me? The insole. Y'all know the black insole though. Super dope. Cannot lie. Super dope, man. Stranger Things at the bottom where it say stranger. Did come with all you feel me, dope little emblems to put on the shoe. Don't know if I'll be rocking on the emblem. Super dope touch, cannot lie. But yeah, then you got the right shoe. Dope box. I definitely got to keep the box. And both insoles say stranger with the Nike on the bottom, as y'all can see that. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I had to snag these up. Just the details on the shoe, bro. That's just an up close and personal look. Dang, bro. Like, whew, these are crazy, bro. So I'm super, super excited. Can't wait to rock these. Get a dope little fit. Rock these for sure. Hopefully I can find some Stranger Things type stuff. Like, man, but these are cold. Just the straggly laces on these joints, bro. Inside of the tab has found you on the inside. Hopefully y'all can see that. Found you. Second one has found you as well on the inside. Yeah, you see the U. Yeah, has found you on the inside, man. Super, super dope. Crazy sneaker, crazy silhouette, always. But the Stranger Things, man. Bottoms, super, super dope. Penny logo, red carbon fiber, y'all see red and black. Dope gum soles type in red and they glow in the dark. Super, super dope, man. Like I said, man, it was a dope pickup. I was super excited to have these in the collection. Can't wait to rock them. Hope y'all was able to grab these, man. Not too crazy of a resale, but most people are selling them for $500 and up. And yeah, I got a dope deal. Go check out Keep 'em Laced on Instagram, man. Remember, if you like content like this, continue to follow for more, man. Stranger Things.
I will find you.